Look at Bentley. He's looking like he's had enough. You gotta tell him, Ziggy. I can't tell him. Look at that face. Ziggy, you're silly. Alright, where is, let's see. There's Autumn. Hey, Bentley. There's Autumn. I don't know if we got Cokie yet. Cokie's outside wandering in the rain. Here she is. Here she comes. Nope, she likes the rain. There's Autumn doing what she does best, just chilling. Lola looking for trouble. Chase looking for trouble. Bentley getting into trouble. Ziggy trying to avoid trouble. Lexi taking it all in. Oh, and there's Lissy causing trouble back there. Oh, chewing on the bone. What do you think, Ziggy?